Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you very interesting thing. I think you already heard about this bankbazaar.com, where you can find a EMI calculator. So what you will see here, you can calculate your EMI by entering loan amount, tenure, and interest rate. So if you click on this calculate button, then you will get your EMI like suppose. You have 30 lakhs loan amount and the tenure is 15 years and the interest rate is 8%, then your monthly EMI will be 28,670. So this type of information this site is giving to you. Now another information that you will see here, that you can see that how much amount as an interest you have to pay to your bank. Like 30 lakhs is your loan amount and total interest due is 21 lakhs 60,521. So total payable amount is this. So this is the information, and another information that you will see here is this type of chart is shown here. In this chart you can see that if you are taking your loan amount for the 15 years, then this chart will show you the complete information from 2023 to 2038, 15 years information. So in your first column chart, you will see that the orange shade is showing the principal amount and the green bar is for the interest amount. So in initial year, principal amount is smaller and the interest amount is greater. So by the when you are coming from 2023 to 2038, the principal amount is increasing and interest amount is decreasing. So this type of information is showing here, and one more line chart is displaying here, that is for the outstanding amount. So initially you are taking 30 lakhs loan amount. So after 1 year the balance amount is 29 lakhs 1392. So in next year the balance amount will be decreased. So one by one in every year the balance amount is decreasing. So at the last the balance amount will be zero at the end of the 2038 year. So this is the information where you can see on this chart. And one more information, this bankbazaar.com is showing you the complete breakup, month-wise breakup. If you are taking loan amount 13 for the 15 years, so 15 years breakup is giving here. Like in 2023, the total principal amount you have to pay is 98,000 and total interest amount is 2,16,000 like this. So total you have to pay including principal and interest amount 3,15,000. So after 1 year your outstanding amount is 29 lakhs like this. So the whole breakup is displaying here, and you can also see the month wise breakup by clicking on 2023 this tab. So this is the complete breakup, like Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, like this. So complete breakup is showing here. So you can see that how much amount you have to pay, and after this month what your balance amount. So this type of information is given to you. And so I thought about this website, and I prepared this website in Appian. This is my website. The same functionality you can do here in this Appian website. Like you have, if you are taking 18 lakhs loan amount and your tenure is 25 years and interest rate is 9. So after clicking this, you will get your monthly EMI, and the same information you can see here on this pie chart, that your loan amount is this and total interest amount that you have to pay is 27 lakhs 31,000 like this. So total amount payable is 45 lakhs. So this information is displaying here, and the same information that you are seeing in this chart bankbazaar.com, the same information you can display on the Appian website also. So if you are taking 25 years loan, so the whole information is displaying here from 2023 to 2048, and the same line chart is also you can display here, which is for outstanding amount. Like initially after the completion of 1 year, your outstanding amount is 17 lakhs 81,661. So like this, after completing every year, your loan amount is decreasing, and at the last year ending of your 25 years tenure, your outstanding amount is zero. And the same thing you can also see in this chart. What you will see in first year in 2023, you have to pay total 18,339, and your total interest is 14,078, sorry, 1,47,827, and total payable amount is uh, 1,66,000, like this. So after completing 1 year, the total outstanding amount is 17,81,000. So you can see month wise breakup also by clicking on this tile, uh, this type of information. The same thing or same type of functionality you can implement in Appian website. So I'm also implemented this thing, or all the informations are correct. You can tally by bankbazaar.com. So this is the thing that I've prepared. And one more thing I have also prepared that I'm also going to show you. Like this nowadays, what banks are doing, if you are taking loan from bank, then you can also decide that how much amount you have to pay. Like it means you can set your own EMI. Like if you are setting your EMI is 1000, and for the interest rate 1.5, and your loan amount is suppose 1000, so they will calculate that in how much time you have to pay. So your loan tenure you can calculate. Okay, so this type of thing you can also implement in Appian site. So I have prepared this is my site. uh, so this is the tenure calculator. By entering, suppose you are taking suppose you are saying that I can pay only 15,000 per month, so your interest rate is 9, and if you are taking 18 lakhs loan amount, so what you have to do, after clicking outside this card, you will get your loan tenure is 309 months. So it means if you are taking 18 lakhs loan amount for the 9% annual interest rate, and if you are saying that I can pay only 15,000 per month, so you have to pay 15,000 for 309 months. So the breakup for total payable amount you can also see on this chart, that your loan amount is 18 lakhs, and total interest you have to pay is 28 lakhs. So total amount payable is 46 lakhs, like this. So these types of information you can see here. So the same thing you can my objective is to show you that Bank Bazaar and other websites are showing these types of information on their platform, so we can also implement these type of things on Appian also. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye.